Get ready to be swept away by sound with the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Headphones. In this video, we'll help you get them set up. First, here's everything you should find inside the box. Your Bose QuietComfort Ultra Headphones, a protective carry case, a USB charging cable, an aux cable, and finally, important safety information. Now, let's set up your headphones. On the right ear cup, press the Bluetooth power button to power on the headphones for the first time. By default, the headphones will be ready to connect, and the status light will blink blue. To fully enjoy all the features of your headphones, adjust settings, and receive future updates, you'll need to download the Bose Music app. To quickly find the app, just scan this QR code inside the box. Once you've downloaded the app, open it and then tap Connect a Product or log in with a My Bose account. From the main screen, tap the plus button and then tap Headphones and Frames. A scan will begin searching for your headphones. Once they appear, tap Connect and then tap Pair. Follow the remaining app instructions to finish setting up your headphones. Be sure to take the time to explore the immersive audio demo to get the most out of your headphones. To charge your headphones, connect the small end of the USB cable into the USB-C port on the left ear cup. Connect the other end into a USB power source, such as a computer or wall charger. The status light will glow amber while charging, and then glow solid white when fully charged. You're all set up. For additional support, visit our website.